We've officially entered the month of July, and as Android enthusiasts, that means the second Samsung Unpacked event for 2024 has finally arrived. The South Korean giant is set to unveil its next-generation foldable phones, new earbuds, the all-new Galaxy Smart Ring, and last but not least, its next-generation smartwatches. The Galaxy Watch Fan Edition made its debut earlier this year, but 2024 still has two more Galaxy smartwatches in store: the Galaxy Watch 7 and the newcomer, the Galaxy Watch Ultra. July 10th is the day these watches will be officially unleashed upon us, but we don't have to wait that long to know what Samsung is cooking with its next flagship smartwatch. Every detail regarding both the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Watch 7 Ultra has just been revealed. The Galaxy Watch 7 is the vanilla model of the year, likely to appeal most to the average prospective smartwatch buyer, especially because of its price. It will be available in both Bluetooth and LTE variants and will come in two watch sizes, a 40mm and a 44mm dial. However, we know much more than just that, thanks to exclusive information from French publication D-Labs. The Galaxy Watch 7 won't be vastly different from the Watch 6, although the software aspect is likely to be different at least until those models get the official update to One UI Watch 6 later down the road. The major differences include the new Exynos W1000 chip, which should be a significant improvement over the Exynos W930 inside the Galaxy Watch 6. The new chip is manufactured using the second-generation 3nm process, offering a massive performance boost and an impressive 20% increase in power efficiency compared to last year. Samsung has also upgraded the storage of the Galaxy Watch 7 to 32GB, as opposed to 16GB on the Galaxy Watch 6. The Watch 7 will be available in green, with the 40mm version offering a cream variant and the 44mm variant settling with an exclusive silver model. The device will be protected by Armor Aluminum 2 and a sapphire crystal display, putting it on par with the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in terms of screen protection. The Galaxy Watch 7 will also stick with the same durability as the Apple Watch Ultra 2, offering an IP68 water and dust resistance rating up to 5 ATM, as well as military certification. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is quite unlike anything that Samsung has released before. There was the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and then the Watch 6 Classic, and while those might be the closest comparisons, they're not quite the same. The company has experimented with a squircle design before with the Galaxy Gear Sport, but even that design is still quite different from what we have with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The new smartwatch will only be available in a 47mm watch size. It will measure over 12mm thick and is going to weigh almost twice as much as the 44mm Galaxy Watch 7. It's bulky, but with that size you get a massive 590 mAh battery, matching the Watch 5 Pro for the biggest battery in a Samsung wearable. The new Ultra smartwatch is made out of titanium and will come in three color options: titanium gray, titanium silver, and titanium white. Durability is a bit better on the Ultra model than the regular Galaxy Watch 7, with 100 meters of IP68 water and dust resistance, while also sticking with the military certification. Other specs include the same 32GB of internal storage as the standard Galaxy Watch 7 model and an impressive 3000 nits of peak brightness for the screen. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is only going to be sold as an LTE with Bluetooth model, which likely contributed to its high price, but you don't need to attach it to a carrier if you don't want to. The device will retail for €699 in Europe and will also go for $699 in the US market. This strategic pricing positions the Galaxy Watch Ultra as a direct competitor to the Apple Watch Ultra 2, which retails for $799. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will have a more rugged design than the standard Galaxy Watch 7. It has a circular bezel and a watch face enclosed in a rounded square case. It has an orange-colored crown flanked by two buttons, all enclosed on the side of the case. With this new design comes a change in the strap design as well. Modern smartwatches like the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Apple Watch Series 9 generally include standard health tracking features such as heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, step counting, activity tracking, and even blood oxygen monitoring, with some models even offering ECG and menstrual cycle tracking. Overall, the design and features of the Galaxy Watch Ultra hint at Samsung's aggressive approach to challenging Apple's dominance in the premium smartwatch market. With that said, we expect more official leaks regarding the Galaxy Watch 7 series to emerge leading up to the official launch, so we suggest you subscribe to the channel to always stay updated. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next one.